Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and welcome back to my series 30 Days of Yoga with This Curvi Yogi. And today we're going to focus on plank and dolphin. So grab your mat and let's get started. So we're going to start in table position, tabletop. Have your wrists under your shoulders, knees under your hips. You're going to tuck the toes under, lift the hips up and back to downward facing dog. Then we'll shift forward to a plank. And then back to downward facing dog. From here, we're going to come into dolphin. So you're going to bring your arms down to the forearms. And we'll come back up, downward facing dog. Lower down, back to table. Take a breath here, inhale and exhale. This time we're going to add in some dolphin walks. So we'll come back into table position. Tuck the toes under, lift the hips up and back. Shift forward to a plank. And then back to downward facing dog. So you're going to come down to the forearms. Walk the feet in as far as they can go. And then back down to a forearm plank. Walk them in. And back down. One more time. And back down. And we'll come down to the mat. And the hands beside your chest. Come up into a cobra. And back. We'll come into a child's pose. Walk the hands up and in. And that's it. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the bell for notifications. Remember, you can sequence together any of these videos and make your own yoga sequence. I hope you guys will check out the others, and I hope to see you in my next video.